In Korea, there is a category of food called bunshik. Simple, affordable, comfort food you often find at street stalls. If you've watched Korean dramas, you've probably seen this before. Today I'm showing you 3 of the most iconic ones. Quick Korean food lesson before we continue. Dashida is a very common Korean seasoning. There is seafood and beef versions, but most people use the beef one. If you cook Korean food often, this is a good one to have. By the way, this is not a commercial. I wish it was. One quick tip, remove the kombu just before the water starts boiling. In Korea, fish cake packages usually come with a soup base. If yours doesn't, I've left a simple recipe in the comments, feel free to check it out. I use the store-bought gimmari for this. It looks like some brands are available overseas as well. Feel free to check it out. This is basically the ultimate Korean street food combo. Yes, the eggs are mandatory. In Korea, when you eat bunshik, everything goes into the tteokbokki sauce. Everything. Give it a try. You see those rice cakes with cheese? Some are filled with sweet potato too. There are lots of different kinds. If you come to Korea someday, you should definitely try them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!